Hello my billionaire family, welcome back. Today tutorial will be on this rose gele, and the ASOOKE that I use is very small, so if you have small ASOOKE you can achieve this style. So just keep on watching. This gele is very easy, very simple, very easy, very simple. Just look at the length, guys, for you to see how small it is. Joshua, it's Joshua's voice that you are hearing. He's talking and he's still making noise. This boy. Ha! Sorry about that, guys. So just look at the way I'll be tying it. So I fold it an inch like that. Like so. I'll be bringing it towards the back, then to the front. Just look at the gele, very small. So if you have like small paper gele also, you can use it to tie it. Or small Ankara, can use it to tie it to church, and it's very easy, very easy to tie. So please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, share, comment, please please comment and share my video with your loved ones. I will really appreciate it. And please don't forget to also follow me on my Instagram page at glambeauty30. glambeauty30. So I'm still like trying to style it. The styling process is very easy, guys. Very easy. It's not hard to do. It's not hard to do at all. So now I'll be using office pen. You only need 2 office pen for this gele. That's all. So I'm using office pen now. So after using office pen, then now using office pen the other side now. Like so. So please let me know if you want me to do more of DIY tutorial, or you want me to do it on someone. Let me know the one you prefer, please. Let me know the one you prefer. Me tying the gele on someone, or I should tie it on my head. Do let me know the one you will love to see more of. So do let me know, guys. So that is it. So now I'm just like styling it to what. Just this styling it. Sorry, I'm yawning. So that is it, guys. If you have any gele tutorial you want me to do, you can send it to me on my Instagram page at glambeauty. You can DM me. Send it to me or send it to my WhatsApp. So that is it, guys. Guys, I'm starting a WhatsApp class by next week, so you can join the WhatsApp class to achieve a lot. I'm very sure you are going to achieve a lot in the WhatsApp class. It's about makeup and gele, so you can join us. We are starting on 25 of this month, sorry. It's 4-day class and it's just 3,000. So that is it about this gele, guys. Just look at that. The gele is so beautiful and it come out very nice. So that is it. That is it about the gele. Alright, guys, I love you. Please stay safe. Stay safe. Roasting the outside. Stay safe. Love you guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.